Welcome. Let's explore how Gantt charts can be your guide to successful project management. Have you ever struggled with planning a project? Let's talk about a powerful tool to navigate project complexities, the Gantt chart. First, let's look at how a Gantt chart provides a clear visual overview of a project schedule. Does planning ever feel like pure chaos? You are not alone. Let's examine some common project planning problems. Think about unrealistic deadlines, vague responsibilities, and constant roadblocks. Where do we actually need a clear plan? Turns out it's almost everywhere. From business projects to personal planning, Gantt charts can be incredibly beneficial. So what exactly is a Gantt chart? Let's define it simply. It's a visual tool that shows project tasks on a time axis. Now let's dive into the key elements that make up a Gantt chart. Tasks, duration, timeline, dependencies, and milestones are the core building blocks. Let's illustrate with an example. Planning a website. We'll walk through the process step by step. Notice how each step depends on the previous one in this website project example. Now it's your turn. Let's try planning a mini project of your own. Consider a personal project like a holiday, studying, or a home repair. After planning, let's take a moment to reflect on what you've learned. Did the visualization change your perception of the project? Consider this. So why do Gantt charts work so well? There are many benefits. Gantt charts provide clarity, risk identification, and progress tracking. Let's share our experiences and learn from each other in our community. Share your project ideas and what you discovered during planning.